What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Supreme Nige here, coming at y'all with a brand new unboxing video. I'm finally back at it with a video. I know it's been a couple weeks or a few weeks. I don't even know exactly how long it's been, but in this video, I'm going to be unboxing my last package that I got from Supreme. I've been holding on to this package for a little bit now. I don't know why. I've just been kind of lazy on making this video. I also have been waiting for a couple packages. These are a couple Yeezys that I did get. These are the past Yeezy 700. I managed to cop a couple pairs, one for the personal, one for the resale, both the same size. So I'm happy I got that. So it's going to be more of a shorter unboxing because I'm not really going to go through all the packages because two of them are exactly the same. Let's go ahead and move on to our Supreme package. It's going to be my package from the last week. Alright, let's see what we got popping in here. Alright, so right off the top, this is going to be the Swarovski Zippo. Okay, so you use the Swarovski crystals to show you guys a little better than this, but here we go. Here is the Swarovski Zippo. Boom. Get a better view of that. Alright, so this is probably going to stay in the personal collection. Boom, there it is. Has the Swarovski crystals right there. There you go, now you can see it a little better. I do believe you have to fill it up in order to light it, like with some lighter fuel or something like that. But I'm not going to be doing that right now, because y'all know what freaking Zippo flames look like, so I'm not going to go through all that right now just to show you. Alright, so next thing in this package is going to be the Windstopper ear flap box logo. I did get this in a size 8, the biggest size, and the olive colorway. As you can see, it says Windstopper in the back, and then it has the embroidered box logo, and it is a new era. So, yep, pretty nice. I'm gonna take it out of the plastic real quick so I can show you guys. Ooh, this is actually some nice material, not bad. But here we go. I actually kind of like the material use that they used on this. So here we go. Here's the nice embroidered box logo right there. And then if we open it up, you can have this ear Windstopper flap. But I personally would probably not flap it down. I'd keep it. Oh, and then if you flap it down, it does say world famous on the back there. It's embroidered. Windstopper is also embroidered there. And then if you look on the inside, here are the tags. Size 8 has a Supreme box logo right there. New era tags and stuff like that. The sticker on the front right there. So, yep, there is that. I'm going to go ahead and put it back in the plastic. Probably going to hold this until next spring. Or this coming up spring or so. See if it can climb in its price a little bit. It's not the best box logo hat, but it's still a box logo hat. So I'll throw that off to the side for now. And the last item in this package is a personal item. That is weird. I've never really seen a package where I didn't get a sticker. But here we go. This is going to be a personal item, and this is going to be the loose gauge beanie, the light olive colorway, obviously. I'll go ahead and take this out. Throw it on the body. It is kind of a tight fit. I do have a big head, but at least it fits me. Not bad. Yep, there it is. There is the Supreme stuff that I got. And then moving on, we did manage to get the last 700 V3 Clay Brown from APV Store. They took about like a few weeks, honestly, to ship them out, and then it took like another week to get to me, unfortunately. So it took a while for me to get these. They said that they had closed down their warehouse or something due to COVID. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this here with you guys. So here we go. This is gonna be the 700 V3. You can see right there. All right. On the bottom of the box just says Adidas. Nothing on that side. These 703 made by Adidas. There is the tag for that. These are for sure 100% legit shoes. These are no fakes. I did get them directly from the retailer. Boom. This is not going to be a full review of these and on foot. I'm not going to really put these on. but these are in my personal size. I will be keeping these. Nice little, I'll give you guys a nice little 360 view right here. Panorama. It's the back with the Adidas. Has a really big back. It does not have boost. It has something different. It has like foam or something like that instead of boost on the inside. That's what that blue is right there. It's still pretty squishy. And then we have like the reflective top there. And then they did say that this rib, like that's around this, glows in the dark. So I'm gonna try to give some light and try to see if it kind of glows. Oh yeah, I can see it a little bit glowing, but it'll have to be pretty dark in order for it to see. But up there that is the 700 V3 Clay Brown. And as you can see, I did get another one of these. I believe I got this one online from, I forgot where I honestly got this from. Oh, I did forget to say they do come with regular black laces. That's not the infinity type, infinity lace. But yep, one of these are gonna be, there's the part of the box that they always make. But this is definitely going to be up for sale for in a little bit. I'm going to hold it. Hopefully it can go up in its price. But yeah, that's going to be it for this unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed. Please definitely make sure to smash that like button and definitely subscribe if you are new. That would be much appreciated and help me grow in the future a lot. I'm probably going to be making a couple more videos during the Supreme off season, like everything I picked up during the 2020 season or something like that, including fall, winter, and spring, summer. Then all my maybe 2020 sneaker pickups, because I only started pretty much this in 2020 during the whole quarantine lockdown stuff. So I'm probably gonna make a whole big video on my whole collection, like what I got during the 2020. So yeah, my basically like quarantine pickups. So, and what I'm holding on to, and hopefully like what my investing is gonna be. So definitely subscribe to stay tuned for those videos. Much appreciated for you guys watching. Peace out.